Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing two Boeing 777-200ER in the PIA livery, one made by SkyMarks and one made by Hogan Wings. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So first we have our old SkyMarks box. This model was made around I think 2007. It is a very old release, but definitely still very unique to have. Our second model is a 777-200ER in the Natured Orchard livery, which is made by Hogan. We have a very unique box. As you can see, we have our Quetta livery design on the tail, as well as on the background, our PIA logo, and then specifications of the aircraft itself. So I'll go ahead and open up both of these aircraft and assemble it, and then we'll get an up-close review. So here we have both of our models assembled. On the left-hand side, we have our SkyMarks, and on the right-hand side, we have our Hogan Wings. Definitely some differences and similarities. They're both Boeing 777-200ER aircrafts, but with different liveries and different registration and some specific differences as well. So I'll give you guys an up close on the SkyMarks version. So because this is an older release, there's not much details. We do have our detailed cockpit windows with our PIA logo in Urdu, our PIA name, our white body with a dark green stripe with a beige color moving through the engines all the way to the back of the aircraft. We don't have any registration on the front nose gear, as well as the engines do not move. They are fixed in. Not much detail. As mentioned, it is an older release. On the back, we don't have any registration, but we just have the Boeing 777-200. But see, that is also wrong. So I don't know why SkyMarks had mentioned it was a 200LR, because obviously, judging by the wingtips, it is a 200ER as well as the release was a 200ER. So I'm not sure why they did that. But the tail itself is a beautiful livery. We have our unique design. Technically this would be the Gardens of Mughal livery, but there's no name or anything written, or not even registration. Not sure why that is, but SkyMarks did release one in blue with the colors of the desert tail. Same with the white plain body, just with the tail. So I was hoping I can get that, as well as the normal 2005 livery with the white plain body and then the Pakistan flag on the tail. But still very nice, not bad for an old release. We also have our lock door, our cargo doors as well, same detail. And then underneath, not much, we just have our beige color with our two stands, and then our dark green stripe, and then our white body moving into the front. And as we move on to the Hogan model, we have much more detail. We have our cockpit windows detailed, our PIA name logo in Urdu, our PIA name, details with the passenger doors as well as the passenger windows, our white body with a dark green stripe and a beige color moving through the engines all the way to the back of the aircraft. On this one we have our registration, Hotel X-ray, as well as movable landing gears. The engine and fan blades do move as well, which is good. Detail on the engine as well, very nice. And then our main landing gears also move as well. On the back we have our perfect livery, Quetta, Nature's Orchard, Boeing 777-200ER, and then our registration, Alpha Papa Bravo Hotel X-ray. We also have our registration on the bottom left wing as well as the top right wing. We also have our Pakistan flag and then our Pakistan name underneath, and then our beautiful tail livery. We also have our details on the exhaust as well. And then as we look to the other side, pretty much the same livery, just with the bulk and cargo door. Same here at the front as well. And then underneath we don't have much, just our stand, our Hogan logo, and then our underbody livery as well. So very cool, very unique model. So I don't have much information about the SkyMarks model because there is no registration on it, but I can tell you some details about the one with the registration AP-BHX. So the first flight was on February 23rd of 2007. The aircraft was dry leased from the International Lease Finance Corporation for 10 years. The aircraft was then registered in Pakistan as AP-BHX, and then the aircraft was named as Quetta Nature's Orchard livery. It received the Balochistan province tail design as a part of Pakistan's province tails livery applied on PIA's fleet at the time. AP-BHX was delivered to PIA on March 8th of 2007, and then the ILFC acquired by Aircraft in December of 2013, and the aircraft still continues to fly with PIA till this day, and carries a unique history with it as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future amazing videos. Definitely two rare models to have in my collection. Unfortunately, the box itself is not as good condition, but still very rare. So make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.